The topic of the chapter is factorization of algebraic expression. Let us recall. Algebraic expression can be expressed as a product of two or more expressions, and each of these is called the factor of the given algebraic expression. So we can do factorization by using the identity formula, identity 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, now the worksheet 6. This is a worksheet 6. Okay, now I am solving the following questions one by one. See the first question. X square plus z square minus 2xz. So we have to recall the identity. Which identity can be used in this question? Suppose the identity a square plus b square minus 2ab. Compare these two. So this identity equal to a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square means a minus b product of 2. Okay. So now compare this. We can write the question x square plus z square minus 2 into x into z. The same. And we can write x minus z whole square. Comparing the identity number 2. This is x minus z into x minus z. Now question number 2. This question is also related to the identity 2. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, now the identity a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square contains 3 terms. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Now compare this. First a means 2x whole square. It is a square of 2x. And this is a square of 3y. Minus 2 into, here a equal to 2x and b equal to 3y. 2x into 3y. So we can write a minus b whole square. It means a is 2x minus b is 3y. Just compare the identity 2. So we can write 2x minus 3y because it has two factors. 2x minus 3y. Now question number 3. Question number 3 has 3 terms. All are plus. It means the identity number 1 can be used. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay. This identity. So now convert the question. It is a 8a square plus 7b square and 2 into 8a into 7b. This will be automatically 112. 2 into 8 into 7b. Then we can write 8a plus 7b whole square. Using this identity. Square means write 2 times. Now question number 4. A square plus b square minus 2ab. This will also 11p whole square plus 4q whole square minus 2 into 11p into 4q. So we can write 11p minus 4q whole square. Use the identity a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now question 5 is 9x square y minus 24xy square plus 16y cube. The first rule of the factorization is to take common. If any term is common. In this question y is common in all terms. So take y common. 9x square minus 24xy plus 16y square. Take y common, 1 by common. Now put in the identity. 3x square means 3x whole square, and 16y square is square of 4y, and this is equal to 2 into 3x into 4y. Now use the identity a minus b whole square. Okay, identity of a minus b whole square, it is y 3x minus 4y a minus b whole square. Y 3x minus 4y and 3x minus 4. And the next question number 6 is 2a cube plus 4ab a square b and 2ab square. First we have to find the what is the common in it. This number 2, 4, 6. 2 is common, and a square a cube. It means a is common. Now a square, take 2a common, 2ab. एक a बाहर चला गया है, 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे, प्लस b स्क्वायर. 2a plus b whole square. A plus b into a plus b. Question number 7. 50a square plus 98b square plus 140ab. Take 2 common. 2 is common in the all three terms. So divided by 2, 50 divided by 2 is 25 a square. 98 by 2 is 49 b square and 70 ab. Okay. Now use identity a plus b whole square. That is a square plus b square plus 2ab. It means 2. This is a 5a whole square. This one 7b. And 2 times 5a into 7b. It is 5a plus 7b whole square. Now question number 8 is 64x square minus 81y square. Here is only 2 terms. It is a binomial. In binomial we can use the identity a square minus b square. 2 terms, a plus b and a minus b. 64x square. 64 is a square of 8. 8x. This one 9y. A square minus b square equal to a plus b and a minus b. Now question number 9. 25p square and 9q square. Same question. Same binomial a square minus b square. It is 5p whole square minus 3q whole square. It is a plus b. It means 5p plus 3q. And a minus b, 5p minus 3q. Now question number 10. 16a square b minus 64bq. Take common. 16 is common. 64 is also divisible by 16 and b common. So we get only a square and 4b square. Okay, 16b common, b common. Use identity a square minus b square equal to a minus b and a plus b. The answer will be 16b. It is a square and this one is 2b. It means 16b, a minus 2b and a plus 2b. Question number 11. 25x cube y cube minus 49xy. What is the common? common is x and y. Take xy common, we get 25. In cube, 1x is there, it means square. Y square. Now the same identity, a square minus b square. This is a square of 5xy and this is square of 7. The answer equal to xy. A plus b, it means first term added to the second and first term minus second term. A plus b and a minus b. Question number 12. Very important question. Question number 12. P raised to power 4 minus 256. First we have to make the squares. P square square. 2 2s are 4. We can write square of p square. And 256 is the square of 16. Now use the identity a square minus b square. The identity is a square minus b square. A minus b and a plus b. Right? P square first 16 and p square minus 16. P square plus 16 and p square minus 16. Again, in addition there is no identity, but in the subtraction it is a p square and minus 16 is the 4 square. P square plus 16 and p minus 4, it means p plus 4 and p minus 4. This is the answer. Question number 13. A square minus b minus c square. In this question, this is a square and this is b minus c square. It is first one time add the terms. In second bracket, just subtract the second. One time add and one time subtract. A means first term plus second term. First term minus second term. So you can write the answer a plus, open the bracket, a plus b minus c. And in this a minus b plus c. Multiply of minus. This is the answer. Use the identity a square minus b square. And in 14, same here. First one is the square of 5m and second is the square of 4n plus 3l. The same one time add and subtract the second one. Second 5m minus 4n plus 3l. In addition, we get 5m plus 4n plus 3l, and in subtraction 5m minus 4n minus 3l. One time plus and one time subtract. Question number 15. Same question. This is a square of 2a plus 3b. And this is a square of 2c. ये 2a plus 3b का स्क्वायर है और ये है 2c का. Now use the identity a square minus b square. It is a plus b and a minus b. You can write 2a plus 3b plus 2c. And next in the second bracket 2a plus 3b minus 2c. This is the factorization. Simple. One time add and one time subtract. First make the square of this. Next. 64m square minus 144mn plus 81n square minus 25n square. हमको क्या करना है, पहले दोनों साइड में स्क्वायर बनाना है. फर्स्ट नंबर को भी होल स्क्वायर एंड सेकंड भी होल स्क्वायर. जब तक स्क्वायर नहीं होंगे तब तक हम लोग एक बार प्लस और माइनस नहीं कर सकते. लेकिन फर्स्ट हियर इज द आइडेंटिटी नंबर 2. Compare the identity number 2 is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Compare this identity. It is 8m whole square minus 2 into 8m into this one is 9n, square of 9n. ये 9n का स्क्वायर है, ये 8m का स्क्वायर है, तो माइनस 2 इंटू दिस, एंड दिस वन इज 5n होल स्क्वायर. दिस इज ए स्क्वायर ऑफ 8m minus 9n, and this is a square of 5n. And now we can use the identity a square minus b square, because this is a square of 8m minus 9n, this is 5n. It means this is a and this is b. We can write a square minus b square. Then a plus b, and next a means 8m minus 9n minus a minus b. Question number 17. This is a question number 17. It has 6 terms. 6 terms means the formula of a plus b plus c whole square. It has 6 terms. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Put this in the identity. हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इसमें ये वाली आइडेंटिटी यूज करेंगे और देखेंगे ए बी सी क्या है. ए मीन्स द स्क्वायर ऑफ फर्स्ट नंबर, इट मीन्स दिस इज अ 4x. 16x स्क्वायर मीन्स स्क्वायर ऑफ 4x. 9y किसका स्क्वायर है, 3y. 4z 2z. अब आगे क्या लिखना है हमको, 2ab 2bc and 2ca. It means 2ab means 4x 3y. 2 times 3y 2z. 2 times 2z 4x. Fit in the formula and we can write 4x plus 3y plus 2z whole square. A plus b plus c whole square. Now write 2 times the factors. Okay. This is the answer of question number 17. 18 में भी वही फॉर्मूला है, 6 टर्म्स लगेंगे a प्लस बी प्लस सी होल स्क्वायर. लेकिन यहां पर हमको देखना है कि माइनस किसके आगे आ सकता है. देखिए माइनस ये एक्स वाई है और ये जेड एक्स है. एक्स वाई एंड जेड एक्स, इन दोनों के आगे माइनस है. इसका मतलब x इज ए नेगेटिव नंबर. कॉमन नंबर इज x. द माइनस कम्स टू द अगेंस्ट माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर. x is a negative number and 2y positive. 9z square means 3z square plus 2 into minus x 2y plus 2y into 3z plus 2 into 3z into minus x. Convert into the formula. And this is the whole square of minus x plus 2y plus 3z whole. बस हमको क्या आइडेंटिफाई करना था कि माइनस किसके आगे लगाना है. इन द सेम प्रॉब्लम क्वेश्चन नंबर 19. देखिए यहाँ पर 4ab एंड 10bc. इट मीन्स b कॉमन, दोनों में b कॉमन है. इसका मतलब b ही नेगेटिव नंबर है. जो कॉमन है वही b नेगेटिव है. तो हम लोग यहाँ क्या लिखेंगे, 4a स्क्वायर को लिखेंगे 2a होल स्क्वायर और b को लिखेंगे माइनस b होल स्क्वायर एंड 5c. बस जहां भी b आएगा हम लोग उसके आगे नेगेटिव यूज करेंगे. 2 इंटू 2a इंटू माइनस b. 2 इंटू माइनस b 5c प्लस 2 इंटू 5c इंटू 2a. जस्ट कन्वर्ट इन द फॉर्मूला. a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर प्लस c स्क्वायर plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. It means a plus b plus c whole square. 2a minus b plus 5c and 2a minus b plus 5c. This is the last question. Question number 20. A square plus b square by 4 plus c square by 9 plus ab plus bc by 3 plus 2 by 3 ca. All are the plus number. कोई यहाँ नेगेटिव नहीं है, इसलिए नेगेटिव वाला कोई सम्मिल नहीं है. जस्ट हमको स्क्वायर बनाना है. दिस इज ए स्क्वायर, दिस इज b by 2 होल स्क्वायर and this is c by 3. Now we can write 2 into a into b by 2. 2 into this 2 number. Again 2 into b by 2 into c by 3. And the third 2 into c by 3 into a. Convert in the formula. The answer is a plus b by 2 plus c by 3 whole square. It means a plus b by 2 exercise is finished now. Now you can solve